Hi, I'm Harper. I'm her cousin John. We live far apart. We love to write letters. We can't wait to tell you about our favorite signs of fall. Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, your last name, and the date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. Autumn in two places. As you read, think about what autumn is like where you live. Harper. I live in Vermont. It's in the northeastern part of the United States. Here's what autumn is like here. October 2nd, 2021. Dear John, what's new? This weekend, we went to a fall festival. A festival is a big celebration. I loved seeing the spooky pumpkins in the jack-o'-lantern contest. I sat down to have some trail mix. I put it down for a second. A sneaky squirrel stole some and ran up a tree. Squirrels are all over the place in autumn. My mom let me get a new treat. I got a sticky, sweet candy apple. When I bit into it, my loose tooth fell out. It was a perfect day. Love, Harper. John. I live in New Mexico. It's in the southwestern part of the United States. Here's what autumn is like here. October 17th, 2021. Dear Harper, that sounds fun. I went to a festival too. It was for hot air balloons. The sky was filled with big, bright balloons. I wanted to fly in one. On our way home, I saw some prairie dogs. They were munching on grass. They were so cute. Then it was time for dinner. It gets chilly at night here, so we had some chili. I added a lot of spicy green peppers from our garden. My brother and I argue about who likes his chili spicier. Love, John. Jack-o'-lanterns, squirrel, candy apples, hot air balloons, prairie dogs, spicy peppers.
Dance break! Let's move like leaves. Sway in the breeze. Spin in the wind. Look. Down, down, down. Let's dance one more time. Let's move like leaves. Sway in the breeze. Spin in the wind.
Look at the map. Follow Harper's letter as it travels to John. So here is the United States. Oh, here is a compass rose with north, south, east, and west. Here is the state of Vermont, and that yellow circle is where Harper lives. We're going to follow the dotted line down to New Mexico, where John lives. Question 1. Harper lives in Vermont. Draw a check mark on that state. 2. John lives in New Mexico. Draw a heart on that state. Number 3. New Mexico is blank of Vermont. East or west? Use the compass rose to decide if New Mexico is east or west of Vermont. Pause the video while you do so. Question 4. Look at the dotted line on the map. It shows the path the letter took. Which of these states did the letter pass over? Florida, Missouri, Idaho. Find the states Florida, Missouri, and Idaho on the map. Which one does the letter pass over? Pause the video while you figure that out. Question 5. Which of these states did not pass over? Which of these states did it not pass over? Kansas, Illinois, or California? So find Kansas, Illinois, and California on your map, and which one did the letter not pass over? Pause the video while you figure that out. Bonus or challenge still has to be completed. Harper and John put stamps on their letters. Draw a stamp you would like to use here in the box. Put your Scholastic News in the finish work bin when done.
Autumn is here.
Take a look outside. Have you noticed that the air is getting cooler? That the leaves are changing color? And that it's getting darker earlier?
That's because autumn is here. In most of North America, we have 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Fall is also called autumn,
And autumn can bring big changes. In autumn, the temperature outside gets cooler. We trade in our shirts and sandals for clothing that will keep us warmer, like jackets, hats, and scarves. The cool autumn weather is a perfect time to go to a pumpkin patch. Autumn is the only time of year that pumpkins are ripe and ready to pick. Autumn is also the season when the leaves on many trees change from green to bright yellows, oranges, or reds. Leaves that change color are usually broad and flat. Why do these leaves change colors? In the spring and summer, the weather is warm and the sun is bright.
leaves make lots of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is green. Leaves have other colors inside, but the green chlorophyll blocks out the other colors, so we don't see them.
In autumn, leaves stop making chlorophyll. Then, the other beautiful colors inside the leaves show through. Soon, the leaves turn brown and fall off. Then in winter, the tree's branches are bare. But not all leaves change colors. Evergreen leaves are always green. Evergreen trees often have needle-shaped leaves like these, or these. And no matter what the season is, evergreen leaves are always green. Autumn is a season when animals are very busy. Food is easy to find, so animals, like squirrels, are busy gathering mushrooms, seeds, and nuts. When winter comes, everything will be covered in snow. Food will be hard to find. But squirrels won't have a problem. They hide a lot of food in autumn, and will know exactly where to find it. Autumn comes around every year, and you'll know when it's here. All you have to do is look for the busy squirrels, the colorful leaves, and funny pumpkins. Hello, Autumn.
What happens in autumn where you live? Talk about it. See you soon.
Boys and girls, put your scholastic news in the finish work bin.